Hello everyone, I hope you are fantastic and amazing. Today I have come here in the Master's Garden, and the garden is fantastic. You are watching, and it's so far from my house. So after a long time walking journey, it's not journey because I didn't come with the car. I came just on foot, walking on foot. And after coming here, I'm feeling very happy. I'm feeling very good because the smells of mustard flower is also memorable things, and also the fruit of mustards is also the good, I think so. Do you have mustard's garden in your area? So if you have, so you can also comment. Yes, already I have a mustard garden in my area near my house. So also you can go to the garden, and like me you can talk front of the camera if you want to speak English fluently. So I came here because every place is very important for talking about any place. So that's why today I come here about talking mustard's garden, mustard's flower. So I like it very much. It's a yellow color, and also the leaf is green, and I don't know what is the color of a stream. Okay, so I think that was beautiful for me, and also I have learned so many things after coming here. And I made two videos after coming here, and also I will share with you something that is practice is very important if you want to speak English fluently. So at the first time when I have started like that, so I was very shy. I felt very shy. I didn't talk front of the camera and as well as front of the people. I feel very shy that time. So right now I can talk easily front of the camera and as well as front of the people. So yeah, when you will start, so every starting time, so it's very sticky, it's very hard for everyone. So I think after some minutes, it will be the Maghrib prayers, azan will go on. So that's why I gotta go to my house right now, and I'm walking on foot right now, on the land at this time. I will say that, on the land, and some people is plowing with the tractor over there. Some people are plowing, and this is the winter time. You know it very well, and winter season, winter time. You can travel. You can visit your area as a traveler. Okay, it's fantastic. It will be fantastic for you, and also you'll feel positive, and your mind will be positive. And if you say the positive words like this kind of environment, so you will feel fantastic. You'll feel very memorable things, and you will not feel negativity. So some people are feeling very depression right now. So don't feel depression. So go to outside and try to adjust with the natural beauty. If you adjust with the natural beauty, with the nature, so that will be very, very good for you, and your mind will be also fresh, and you can forget your past, you can forget your hurts. Some people, if some people hurts you, so you can forget as well if you visit your area. Also you can go to with your some friends. Friends is very important for everyone, but you need a good friend, and from those friends you can learn something positive things. I will say that remove and go away from negative friends. So you don't need negative friends. Just you have one friends is very positive, so this friend is better for you. So go away from negative friends. You don't need to negative friends. So my dear brothers and sisters, I went to the mustard garden. So right now I gotta go to my house. So I share with you what I do. Just I capture myself. I can't speak English properly. Thus I share with you what I'm doing and how I'm practicing. So if I don't practice, I can learn something. So that's why I practice. You have to practice, you have to hard work. Without hard working, any person didn't success. So also you have to hard work for being success. So that's why sometimes I hard work, and also I give motivation, so that you can continue your hard working, and you can continue your making video, and as well as talking in front of the camera. So my dear brothers and sisters, if you think this was my positive activity and it was fantastic for you, so never ever forget to subscribe and hit the like button as well. Thank you so much. I will see you very soon with another video. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.